Welcome to Deltek ComputerEase Year-End Procedures on Issuing and Printing W-2 and W-3. This training will cover the following items: preparing W-2s, editing W-2s, printing W-2s and W-3, generating a magnetic media file, and uploading W-2s to the Employee Hub. Preparing W-2s. From the Payroll System main menu, select Reports, and then Tax Reporting. Select Prepare W-2s and enter the year. If you leave the Employee From and two fields blank, the system will prepare W-2 statements for any employees that received a paycheck for that year. You can select OK, and ComputerEase will compile the information. Also note, you will receive a notification letting you know how many W-2s were prepared. This number is the total number of employees you have set up in the company, including the inactive ones. It is not an indication of how many W-2s will actually print. Editing your W-2s. Once you have prepared the W-2 statements, you may select the menu option to print W-2s and print the W-2 statements on plain paper. This will allow you to verify that the information that will print is correct. You may also select to print W-2s as many times as needed. Once the W-2s have been prepared and reviewed, if you need to make any manual changes, you can select Work on W-2s and then Edit W-2s, enter the year, and select the employee. You can now make any necessary adjustment on this screen. Printing W-2s. Once the information on the W-2s is verified, you are ready to print your W-2 forms. Select Work on W-2s and then Print W-2s. There are several different printing options to choose from. Each will only print the information required for that form. The employee copy is the only one that will include all the information, including the Box 14 data. This option should be used for all copies given to the employee. The federal copy will not include any state or local information. The local copy will only be available for the locals where the W-2 required box is checked. Last, the Count W-2s option will generate a report giving you a total of each type of form you will need. Printing the W-3. Once you have printed your W-2 forms, you will be ready to print your W-3 form. Select Work on W-2s and then Print W-3. Verify the year and select Yes or No to include state and local totals, depending on whether you would like state and local totals included on your W-3 form. When you select Print, the system will generate the actual W-3 form that you can submit with your W-2s. Confirm the information on the first tab and make any changes necessary. You can make changes on the second tab, and your changed values on the second tab will print on the printed copy of the W-3. However, if you believe your totals are incorrect, you should research and correct the issue within ComputerEase, as these totals are the totals from your W-2 forms and should be validated by the totals of your W-2 forms. When you have confirmed all your information, you can choose Print. Generating a magnetic media file. To create a magnetic media file for electronic filing of W-2 statements, from the Payroll System main menu, select Reports, Tax Reporting, Work on W-2s, and then create Magnetic Media File and select the appropriate format. The information required for state info will vary by state. The screens will change accordingly. This example is for Georgia. When you are finished, select OK and the magnetic media file will be generated in the clipboard. Uploading your W-2s to the Employee Hub. If you own the Employee Hub module, you may wish to upload W-2s to the Employee Hub website. From the Payroll System main menu, select Reports, Tax Reporting, Work on W-2s, and upload W-2s to Employee Hub. You can enter the year for which you want to upload the W-2s to the Employee Hub. A message then will display letting you know the number of W-2s that were successfully uploaded to the Employee Hub website. Thank you for attending the Deltek ComputerEase year-end procedure training on issuing and printing W-2s and W-3. For more information, please review the year-end resources within the Deltek Support Center.